Hoy, huwag kang maliri. Do not worry about the people you remove from your system or your life. Be mindful. They will only share things which will suit them. They will tell stories that you are the bad one and they are the good one. But no worries, my friend. You know yourself better, and the people who truly loves you. Still, there is our Father God who will serve the best justice for you. Hayaan mo silang maging mariri. Karma is digital. Wala kang dapat ikatakot if you know from yourself na wala kang ginagawang masama sa kanila. Ibibigay ng Panginoon sa iyo ang karapat-dapat na hustisya at parusa sa mga taong lumalapastangan at nagiging tampalasan sa iyong pagkatao. Paalam.